Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Mr. English Buddy channel. I'm Jessie, and I'm already smiling today, because we will talk about funny stories.
Hi friends. I'm Ralph. And yes, Jessie is smiling a lot. I think she wants to tell an embarrassing story about me. I'm scared already.
Oh, maybe I will. So please like this video, subscribe, and ring that little bell so you never miss our fun English lessons.
Today's topic is very cool. How to tell a funny story in English. Easy English. Simple sentences. Fun vocabulary.
Let's start. And Ralph, get ready.
Jessie, why do people love funny stories?
Because funny stories make people happy. They help us relax. And they make English learning easier. When you laugh, you learn faster.
So, I will become a genius today. I laugh all the time.
Yes, you do. You laugh at your own jokes.
Hey, my jokes are great. My mom likes them.
Your mom loves you, not your jokes.
Okay, that's true.
So, how can English learners tell a funny story? Here is a super easy structure. Start with the time. Last week. Yesterday. When I was a kid. Say what happened. I went to the store. I met my friend. Add a small problem. But something funny happened. Then things went wrong. The funny moment. I fell. My phone started talking. I said hello to a stranger, but it was a tree. End with emotion. I laughed so much. I was so embarrassed.
That's easy. Even I can do that.
Let's test you. Okay, Ralph. Tell us a funny story. Something small. Something true.
Fine. Here we go. Last week I went to a new gym. I wanted to look strong. Very strong.
Oh boy, this is already funny.
So I took a heavy weight. Very heavy. I tried to lift it. And I said, easy. But then, I made a strange sound, like a dying duck.
What? Show me the sound.
Ah, k.
A dying duck at the gym, gosh.
Everyone looked at me. I put the weight down. Slowly. Very slowly. I said, I'm fine. But my face was red like a tomato.
Poor tomato Ralph.
Yes, I was the tomato man. Okay, your turn. Tell us one. And please make it about you, not me.
Fine. When I was a kid, I had a big, fluffy dog. His name was Popcorn. Popcorn was very friendly. Very cute. But also very energetic.
Energetic? Like crazy?
Yes. Exactly. One day, I was walking Popcorn. I was small. Popcorn was strong. I saw a cute boy from school. I wanted to look cool. I wanted to look calm.
But Popcorn had a different plan?
Yes. Popcorn saw a cat and started running. He pulled the leash, and I flew like a superhero. I slid across the grass. My hair was crazy. My clothes were dirty. And the boy said, nice, flying.
Jessie the flying girl. That's a great funny story.
Many funny stories use simple words, like embarrassed, you feel shy or silly. Strange, not normal. Suddenly, very fast, no warning. Crazy, very unusual or wild. Slip, your foot moves and you fall. Weird, very strange.
And one of my favorites. Oops. You can use it when something small goes wrong.
Here are some easy tips. Use short sentences. This makes the story clear. Use your face. Big eyes, big smile, it helps the story sound funny. Add a small surprise. Something unexpected. Add a sound effect. Funny noises make people laugh.
Like my dying duck sound?
Please don't do it again.
Let's make a story together. One line each.
Okay. Yesterday, we went to a cafe.
I ordered a big coffee. A very big coffee.
The barista said, are you sure? And Ralph said, yes. I'm a strong man.
Then, I dropped the coffee. All of it. Everywhere.
He looked at me like a sad puppy.
And you laughed. For 5 minutes.
Because your face was shocked. Like this. Opens mouth dramatically.
It was a tragic moment. It was a tragic moment.
It was a funny moment. Okay, vocabulary time. Let's learn some useful phrases from our stories. 1. Last week. Use this to start a simple story. Example. Last week, I lost my keys. 2. Something funny happened. Use this before the funny part. Example. I walked into the room, and something funny happened. 3. I felt embarrassed. Meaning, I felt shy or silly. Example. I fell in the store. I felt embarrassed. 4. Suddenly. A good word for surprises. Example. I was walking, and suddenly, it rained. 5. I couldn't stop laughing. Use this when something is very funny. Example. My friend slipped on a banana. I couldn't stop laughing.
So today we learned how to tell a funny story in easy English. Short sentences, simple words, big emotions.
Yes. Funny stories are great for speaking practice. They make people smile, and they make you more confident.
Friends, keep practicing. Your English gets better every day. One step, one story, one smile.
If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.
Today's question for you: what is a funny moment from your life? Tell us in simple English.
We can't wait to read your stories. See you next time.
Bye, friends.